had taken a review meeting regarding the diarrhea situation which has been reported from Dabolim area. So this incident was reported from Prabhu Violeta building complex. As of now, there are 156 cases which were reported. So if I give you the timeline, on 12th of March, the first case was reported. And in that first week, we had a total of 55 cases being reported, and as of now, the total number is 156. As soon as the case was reported on 12th of March, Health Department has started screening all the residents who are staying in that complex. There are 328 flats there. Health Department has done screening in all the flats. There are 5 blocks also. What they have noticed is from a particular block A, there were no cases, but from the other blocks, there were cases of diarrhea which were reported. Now, Pollution Control Board also have done an inspection there on 16th of March, and they had found out that the STP plant which is there in that complex is not functioning properly, and untreated water was getting mixed with the treated water, and that was also going into the borewell, and because of which the people were consuming the water from the borewell, and because of that water contamination, this diarrhea situation has arisen. Now, regarding the numbers which has been reported this week, I'll just tell on Wednesday we had only 2 cases being reported, and yesterday no new case was being reported. All the cases which were reported in the health center has been treated. People were put on ORS, zinc, and there was one case where they have to prescribe an antibiotic. Otherwise, no major case were there. Now, by looking at the numbers, the situation is under control since there were no cases which were reported yesterday. Instructions have been given by the Pollution Control Board to the builder to ensure that the untreated water is not getting mixed with the borewell and the other facility. Meanwhile, drinking water department has also done their checking and all. In their samples, no sample has turned out to be positive. Health department has done some checking, and there we have observed that some samples were positive. So the culture sample from the PWD tank, swimming pool, and the other tank is negative. From the garden outlet, pipe, and the borewell, the samples which were collected were positive, which actually indicates that the uncultured water was sent and was mixed with the treated water, because of which the issue has arisen. Now, the builder has arranged for providing water from PWD and other tankers, and he is handling the situation. Now, Pollution Control Board has given direction to the SDM to ensure that the waters are not getting mixed, the untreated water is not getting mixed, and we are initiating action also under the Goa Health Act.
Is there drinking water?
So basically, the STP was not functioning properly. That is the observation of the Pollution Control Board. So the discharge from the STP, which was not treated, was getting mixed with the drinking water.
Of STP, because for example this one was non-functional and that caused the problem. So are there supposed to be periodic checks?
I think Pollution Control Board would be the right department to comment.